is Tommy Howell. I'm a football scout. You could say that my job is to look for greatness. I came here expecting to find it. I just didn't expect to find so much of it. I've traveled the world in search of talent. But I can't ever remember seeing the game played so beautifully. Here, given half the chance, just about anything can happen. And most times, it does. I guess it's true what they say. There's a drop of greatness in every man.